Firewall. A firewall is a network security device that acts as a barrier between internal and public networks. It monitors all incoming and outgoing network traffic in order to prevent unauthorized access to a computer network. Let us recall. Repetitive strain injury, RSI, results from repetitive movements, for example, using the mouse for an extended period of time. Computer and their devices require maintenance and proper upkeep. If we do not follow proper maintenance, it might result in expensive repairs or complete damage to the devices. A keyboard might not work properly if dust or any food particles get stuck underneath the keys. The mechanical mouse is especially prone to dust particles that can collect inside the mouse, which can make it difficult to track or move properly. It is difficult to view anything on the monitor if the screen gets dirty due to dust or fingerprints. Unauthorized access to any computer may lead to the loss of important data and personal information. Security patches fill in the vulnerabilities in software, operating systems, etc. that may be used by attackers to gain access to a device and its data. An IDS uses possible intrusion signs to assess network traffic for any suspicious activity. IPS complements an ID's monitoring incoming traffic on a system to identify malicious requests. Multi-factor authentication requires multiple steps of authentication. The system grants access to the data only after validating the information presented by the user. Malware is a program that is capable of installing harmful software on the computer system. It blocks access to computer resources and damages the system by doubt. A computer virus is a program that is designed to adversely affect the functioning of a computer system. Antivirus is a software that scans and identifies potential viruses on the computer system and prevents any damage to the system by deleting the viruses. A firewall is a network security device that acts as a barrier between internal and public networks. It monitors all incoming and outgoing network traffic in order to prevent unauthorized access to a computer network.